In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp account not allowed due to spam. If you're seeing a message that your account isn't allowed because of spam, don't panic. This usually means WhatsApp's automated systems flagged unusual activity. The good news is you can request a review and explain the situation so a human can take a closer look. Start by opening WhatsApp on your phone or using WhatsApp web in your browser. On the screen with the restriction notice, look for the option labeled Request a Review or Support directly beneath the message. This is the official path to appeal the decision from inside the app. When prompted, verify your phone number. You'll receive a 6-digit code via SMS. Enter it exactly as received, making sure your country code and number are correct and that you have a stable signal. Only use the code you just received. Don't reuse old codes. Next, you'll see a text field to explain what happened. Keep your note brief, polite, and factual. A simple example is, my account appears to have been flagged in error. I use WhatsApp to communicate with known contacts and will continue to follow the terms of service. Please review my account. Avoid blaming language and stick to clear relevant details. Submit the form. WhatsApp typically reviews requests within about 24 to 48 hours. Watch for a notification in the app and check the email associated with your account, including spam or junk folders. While you wait, avoid sending additional requests or reinstalling the app repeatedly, as that can slow things down. If you don't see the in app review option, use WhatsApp's Contact Us page as an alternative. Open WhatsApp's support site in your browser and navigate to the Contact Us section. Choose the category that matches your app: WhatsApp Messenger Support or WhatsApp Business Support. Selecting the right path helps your request reach the appropriate team faster. Fill out the contact form with your phone number in full international format, your email address, and your device type. In the message box, again, be concise and courteous. My number was restricted for suspected spam. I believe this is a mistake. I communicate only with consenting contacts and will follow the terms of service. Please conduct a manual review of my number, then submit. Finally, check your account status. Open WhatsApp periodically to see if access is restored, and keep an eye on your email for the decision. Going forward, message only consenting contacts, avoid bulk or automated sending, and review WhatsApp's policies to stay compliant. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you restore your account quickly and safely.